Hello friends, welcome to Awdhesh Academy. Friends, in the year 2021 ethics paper, one question was asked about social audit. Now, social audit is one of the very important area for bringing ethics in government in the second Administrative Reform Commission report. So today we are going to discuss this particular question. The question was as following. An independent and empowered social audit mechanism is an absolute must in every sphere of public service, including the judiciary, to ensure performance, accountability, and ethical conduct. Elaborate. Now, in this question, you have to explain as to how the social audit mechanism can be used in the public services, which of course include the judiciary also, for three things: performance, accountability, and ethical conduct. So let's write the answer of this question. So first of all, we will explain as to what is social audit. Now, social audit is the examination and assessment of a program or a scheme which is conducted with the active involvement of people and comparing the official record with actual ground realities. Social audit is a powerful tool for social transformation, community participation, and government accountability. So friends, in this mechanism, that is social audit, we involve the public, we involve the society for auditing the work of the government organizations so that they can see whether what the government organizations are projecting are actually reflected in the ground or not. Because the common people don't know what is basically shown in the government record and what is the reality. So when the society get involved into that, we have better accountability. So social audit has been found to be a very useful tool in eliciting information and prevention of wrongdoing in the government. Because ultimately the government is working for the people, and if the people themselves can audit the work of the government organization, then naturally the government organizations will be very much scared of doing anything wrongdoing, because public will always expose their misdeeds. So social audit basically decentralizes the governance by informing and educating people about their rights and entitlement. And in this way, the people get involved into the whole process of governance and they know their rights and entitlement, and if the government officers are not doing their jobs, they can pull them up. Now let's know how the social audit works basically. Social audit provides a collective platform for people to ask queries, express their needs and grievances, and social audit basically promote the people's participation in all stages of implementation of program, and that way it brings transparency and accountability in the government. So that is the role of the social audit, because when the society does the audit in this way, everything is transparent, everything is before the public, and if the government officers have done something wrong, then they can be made accountable for not implementing the proper government schemes or not doing their job properly. So an empowered social audit can be very effective, and it will be much more effective than the internal audit mechanism which is presently carried out in the government. The reason is that the internal audit officers are basically the government employees, and they are very reluctant often to find errors in the organization. Sometimes it is done in the same organizations, and the people of audit get posted into other charges, and then they are part of the same organization, and sometimes due to the pressure or temptation, because it is an internal government system, and that is why sometimes it is not very effective. On the other side, the social audit involves a broad spectrum of public, and that way they can put more pressure on the public official to work honestly. So in this way, the public officers can work honestly, they can follow the ethical codes in much more sincerely and basically perform their duties rightly. So in this way, we can write the answer of this question. Thank you very much.